Welcome to Avila Ranch by Trumark Homes, nestled just south of downtown San Luis Obispo. Here you'll find the perfect blend of small-time charm and contemporary living that makes you feel at home. Hi, my name is Eric Silva. I'm the Community Sales Manager at Avila Ranch. Avila Ranch is made up of two beautiful neighborhoods, Estero and Isla. Estero welcomes new homeowners with a variety of home styles and floor plans, reflecting the free-spirited nature of the area. While Isla pays homage to the historic Spanish cottages that once graced this landscape a century ago.
Hi, I'm Bierd, Community Sales Manager with Trumark Homes. The Avila Ranch community features home sites that boast breathtaking views of vineyards and foothills. So far we have 3 parks, 6 more to follow, a biking trail that will connect you throughout the whole neighborhood, nestled just outside of the hustle and bustle, but yet still really close to everything that you need.
Avila Ranch is just not a place to live, it's a gateway to the best of the Central Coast. Explore nearby hotspots like Bonetti Ranch, Downtown Slow, Estero Bluff State Park, Morro Bay Harbor, and Montana del Oro State Park. Coming home isn't just about finding a house. It's about putting together a puzzle of all your favorite things. If you enjoy nature, community connection, and picturesque views, contact us to explore the possibilities that await you at Avila Ranch.